Hey guys, it's me, Patricia, back with a special Vegan Chef's Garden special edition video. It is a chilly fall day here in Marietta, Georgia, but I'm here with my friend, influencer Mattie James, and we are giving her her first culinary kitchen garden for her and her family to enjoy. We're gonna get them started on their gardening journey. This is how you do it, guys. So today she's gonna get 2 4x4 beds. We got all the lumber laid out right here. I'm doing a kit instead of having it like actual custom lumberjack build it. So we're gonna do this special kit that I got sent to me, and we're gonna do a really nice big arch at the center of the 2 beds. It's gonna be fabulous. I can't wait for you guys to see. So stay tuned to see all the vegetables, all the installation, and everything, and how we put the soil together, and her reaction to her first garden. Don't miss it. Almost there. So these okay, so the boxes are together, and while Marquise is working on the caps, because I forgot my power drill, of course, I'm going to be working on lining the inside of the beds with this landscaping fabric and my staple gun. So the beds are finally finished, leveled, and filled with cardboard, leaves. As we added in the soil, I layered the nutrients. So there's some biochar in here. There is earthworm castings in here. There is some compost in here, raised bed soil, and now I am breaking up topsoil. So topsoil would be at the top, maybe 2 inches of these beds, which is fine. Don't necessarily want the nutrient, the good stuff to be exposed to the sun per se. The roots will dig down and look for the things that I put in here. And that is how I prepare my beds. There's nothing on the bottom, there's no landscaping fabric. I just put the cardboard. So it's a raised bed garden, cardboard garden. This soil is a little cold, so I guess when it got wet, it got a little firm and stuck together like this, which I don't mind. Topsoil. This is actually some really good topsoil. Sometimes you don't know what you're gonna get. It can be full of wood, and we don't want that. And this is a good mix of soil and wood and the debris and the things that they use to create the topsoil. So there's a little straw in here. So I'm really happy with this. Everything is sorted out, put together. The beds are ready to go, and now we can start planting. And what I do with that is, before I even got to this point, created a planting plan. Just a loose guide, nothing that I'm stuck to, because sometimes when you arrive, maybe something might change, but it's always good to have a planting plan ready to go so that you already know where the plants and the seeds are going to go. So I have plant starts, a few mature plants that came out of my garden, like my herbs that I can't buy those anywhere right now. So I got some, like a mature rosemary and a sage to add to her garden. We're gonna protect her plants with garlic and some onions that they keep indoors that I asked them for them, so I can add them to this garden. So that's gonna be a really nice touch. And yeah, so this looks ready to go. Now I'm going to put the plants in the spots, and then I just have to plant them, and that's it. The Swiss chard first. So I'm gonna start with this Swiss chard. And I found at the nursery. And what's so great about it, it was $13.98. But look at, there's so many Swiss chard plants here. So I'm starting with this so I know what I have, but this is not part of the planting plan. But I think I need a scissor. So I need to separate this and try to save as much as the root as possible. So I'm just cutting it down the center while cutting the bottom. So I need to loosen this up so I can get a proper count on how much we actually have. Bring the camera around so you can see how I'm splitting it. So cutting from the bottom where it's kind of root bound. Just gonna do like 4 cuts should do it. I don't think I'm gonna need to do too much. They're gonna go into a little bit of shock because these look like they've been in this pot for quite a while. Then go for another one here. This is coming out of 1, so I'll leave that. Okay, let's keep going. Just pull them apart like that. Like, I think I'll leave that together. Let's leave that together. So here are all the plants laid out in the areas where I want them to go. And this is going to basically be a winter companion planting setup. Onions, garlic, Swiss chard, lettuce, pansies, broccoli, strawberries from my garden, and some other things that I had from the greenhouse that I had over the summer that I kept alive, that they will all be able to put into the garden. So now that everything's laid out, I'm going to get planting and then finish the label. The garden is complete. 2 beautiful dovetail 4x4 by 2 raised beds. All of the vegetables are in, the garlic is in, the seeds are in, everything is labeled, and it looks amazing. And now I can call Mattie out to do the big reveal. I just need to water everything in. Check out this wreath that I got. Isn't that cool? It is fresh evergreen. So that's nice. Nice little holiday touch for her. So let's get her out here. Let's do the big reveal.
Oh my gosh, everything looks so pretty. Look at the labels. Oh my gosh, this looks amazing, Patricia. Oh, and these for the covers. I love it. And the arch.
And the legendary one, my good friend Mattie James, and we just revealed the garden to her.
Yes.
And how are you feeling about it?
So excited, so excited. I was telling you earlier, I already had my cry moment, but I don't know if I would have been brave enough to start it on my own and even push through the mess ups if I did start it on my own. So I'm so thankful for her because honestly, it looks beautiful. I can't wait to start eating things from the garden. The kids are gonna love it. So I'm really excited. I appreciate you so much.
I can't wait for the kids to come home from school
I
today.
know.
They're gonna be like, what is happening?
Yes.
This is such a great immersive learning experience
It
for
is.
everyone in the family, the parents, the grandparents, the kids. And I always try to encourage everyone to make this a family experience, to start from seed and just little plants and get to harvest and just be able to get the things, not have to go to the grocery store. You can just come out your kitchen door and grab. And so in her garden, she has strawberries, she's got vegetables, she's got seeds planted, so they'll be able to be surprised by their carrots and their radishes and come out and harvest all of these things. And I can't wait to hear all about it.
Yes.
I am a certified garden consultant here in Atlanta, so I'm not going to just give her a garden and disappear. I'm going to give her the support to make her the best gardener, land steward that she can possibly be. That is the intention, and I'm so happy to do this for you.
I appreciate it so much, truly. Like, this has exceeded any expectation I had. She stuck with me now because I'm going to be texting you every day like, okay, I think I saw a crown. What's going on?
What's
I think I saw a
happening?
strawberry. So I'm just so thankful for you. And I think it's really exciting to know that you're not by yourself when you're starting on a journey like this. And I just can't wait for the kids. I can't wait for spring harvest. I can't wait for summer harvest. Just like planting and just learning along the way.
We're going to get locked in. We're going to deal with these bugs and the Georgia weather.
Yes.
And all the things. We're going to get you all the gear. And it's such a wonderful meditative space.
Yeah.
And it's just a harmonious
And I love the
self-care.
arch. The arch is one of my favorite things. I love it so much.
And little details, because we all know Mattie James loves a detail.
I love a wreath, so this
we've
with the
got-
big bow, I was so thankful. I love it. So good.
My pleasure to do this for you. and
Thank
your
you so
family.
much.
Thank you
Patricia.
so much.
Thank
again.
you. I really appreciate it. Thank you.
My pleasure. See you in the next garden.
Beautiful. Oh, I can't wait to eat all these things in the sorrel. This green onion's gonna come out of here. The pansies. Look at that white and purple. And this lettuce. It's gonna be so fun to cut this and eat it for sandwiches and salads. I love that you incorporated flowers in here too. That's what makes me so excited.